Are you interested in applying to study with BSBI? Here's a step-by-step guide of what to do. First, you need to create an account here. apply.berlinsbi.com. Once you have done that, simply select the program and intake you would like to apply for, complete all the required sections on the application, and then submit it online. The next step is to get your finances in order, as well as provide all relevant documents. If you receive an unconditional offer letter from us, you should then book an interview with the embassy to complete your visa application. The next step is to open a bank account and pay the €2,000 deposit to be able to apply for a visa. Don't worry if this seems a lot to remember, because after submitting your online application, your personal advisor will be in touch to help you through the process.